This girl's coaxing a turkey of some sort. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. I hope everybody's doing good today. Today we're doing a lot better. Franco's going for his last surgery today. Should be all done. And he has at 11:30 today. Right now I am just going to the store because I need an energy drink. So yeah. Maverick's sleeping. Franco's got him. I got a little bit of a mess. I haven't even gotten ready yet today. I'm just going to the corner store. I'm going to grab an energy drink and then I'm going to head back home. I think today we're going to head over to the Bird Kingdom. So exciting. We picked up Franco. I also picked up Aaron along the way. We picked him up from the last surgery. Everything went well. He didn't feel anything. He has to go back for a follow-up on Thursday. Make sure everything went well. But yeah, he didn't really feel anything. And it doesn't hurt now. What?
Pay the car. Or if we pay in there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Whew. We need to find a bathroom ASAP. I'm gonna pee my pants. Where's the bathroom? Okay. Wow. So we gotta go in here? That's what it says, right?
Yeah, if we walk upstairs, we would pay for that way. To the museum. It's up to you. You don't have to. Go this way.
Come on, baby. Let's go see the birds. Where's the birds?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Go look. Go see. See what's in there. The tortoise? The tortoise. Wow, Maverick, go look. Go see it. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Yeah, look, it's a tortoise. Look at the tortoise. Wow. There's more coming at him over there. I'll hold Mommy's hand. Look. Go see. Go see. Look at all of them. Wow.
Well, this time they're actually rubber bands.
It's cool.
That one's like, I'm gonna go for your butt mode.
Wow. Look at, there's another one. Being gentle. Good boy. Look at. Yeah, look how many there are. Leave them out. You can't go that way, baby. Come this way. Come here. Let's walk this way. Let's go see.
Heard that from laugh.
No. Look at the birds here. See the birds? I don't think he was supposed to do that. Look at the bird. It's Chico. Oh, baby, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Look at the turtle. Look, look, look. Say hi. Does the bird scare you? Oh, it's okay. Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. Look, it's okay. Look, it's okay. You scared? Oh, it's okay. Maverick, it's okay. This guy's gonna be scared of her.
It's okay.
Hey, mommy's got you. Look, look, he's eating. Look. Yum, yum, yum,
Wow.
yum, yum. See? It's okay. Look. Look at them. It's okay. See, they're just talking. They go. It's okay. Look. See? It's okay. It's okay. See, he's eating.
Go, Maverick.
Maverick. You can see the birds? Look. Look at the birds. See the birds? Yeah, go say hi. It's okay. Look. Ooh, it's a museum. Whoa. Let's go look. It's in here. Come on. Ooh, go this way. Come on. This way, Maverick.
I found you.
Do you want to go in the bear? Come on. Oh. Come on this way. This big bird here. Wow, you want to hold my hand? Look at it. Look. See the bird? Keeping his distance. See the bird? Look. It's right there. See it right there. He's playing hide and seek with the bird. You can't touch it. Just say hi. Hi. There's no birds up there. There's no birds there.
He looked too. Look at that point.
It's just rocks. Oh look, there's a bird right there in the tree. See? Look right here. Oh, there's a little nest in there. Went inside. The waterfall.
That one was hit me.
Now we're going in the nocturnal area. Look. Might be a little dark, but...
Oh, this is the only part that we actually missed.
Oh, you didn't do this? Ooh, tarantula. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Maverick refuses to do the bridge standing up, which is fine. He's crawling it. You coming down? Want some help? Here, I'm gonna help you. Stand up. Got your hand? Okay, there you go. There you go. It says no flash photography in here, and my kid has freaking flash shoes on. Maverick, come this way. Bats in here. It's like a vampire escape. Ooh, there's a swarm of them right here. It's hard to see them. There. Looking at the bats. It's nice lighting in here. Got my baby. Where do you want to go? Ooh, look at those. Maverick, look. Go see it? Come on. Wow. Look, Mav. You see it? Look at that big bird. Ooh. See it? Wow, so pretty. Look at the waterfall. Can you take a picture with Mommy? Come on, Maverick. Come here. Look at the pink birds. He's like, I want to go see that other bird. Come on. Come on this way, please. Look, Mav. Look at the birds up there. See them? In the tree? Wow. Let's go. Look at the bird eating. Num 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 num. See the bird eating?
He's hiding behind you.
Wonderful.
Hi, do you guys want to come in to feed the parrots?
Sure.
Yeah, and it's down that way.
This way, buddy. Maverick, come. I can just leave that here, probably. Come on, Mav. Come on. Come on.
Alright, so everyone needs to grab some hand sanitizer there before you enter. And I'll let you know there's no personal.
So we just took Maverick into the lorikeet landing right there, where like you hold this cup of juice and the birds in there just come like swarming all over you, and they like drink the juice. And I was holding the cup and I was holding Maverick, and we weren't allowed to film in there. She told me not to. But Maverick freaked out so bad. What? Yeah. Yeah, he freaked out and was crying and screaming, and they were like flying over his head and on him and all on me and my hand, and they were like chirping, and it was a little bit crazy. But yeah, so that was that, and there with that lady. So yeah, he's a little bit calmed down now. Gave him some Advil for his teeth, because I know he's teething really bad. We'll go finish up the rest of this thing, because we totally forgot that, that he has swimming lessons today at 5, and we got to be there like around, well, we got to leave to go there around 4:30 to get us dressed and everything. And yeah, so it's about 2:30 now, so we'll finish up here at home, get us ready for swimming, and go from there.
You might want to walk ahead of me.
Oh my lordy!
Okay.
Headed down another level. See what kind of birds they have down here. You okay now, boo-boo? Oh, that's a really cool bird. What is that? Wow, it's so vibrant. Cool. It has a super long tail. It's like some sort of peacock, maybe. Maverick, look at these. See, Matt? See the birds? Do you see the birds? They're eating. They're as messy as you are. I hope he naps before swimming, because he's going to be a mess there. Oh my god. I wish we could film at our swimming too, but they don't let you because other kids are there and la-di-da, which makes sense. But it would be nice for the memories to be able to film us swimming at a swimming class. It'll be our 3rd swimming class in the duck level, which is the next level up from the infant level. I know. He starts to cry when they go over his head. It's because that original, like, whatever it was, a parrot or something, the red one, earlier when it like squawked, it scared him so bad, and now I've like set him up for being totally scared of all the birds here. So we're leaving Bird Kingdom now. We got Maverick up Fred the Fox. A little memory of how scared he is of birds. A little bit of the falls there. Okay. You dance?
Water away from him and he'll never love me.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Yeah, you got one and I got one.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you.
And you want another one? You want a water?
Here. No, I got one.
It's fine.
No, I got my own water bottle.
Oh yeah. We haven't vlogged all fucking day. I'm doing a vlog, but I'm never gonna vlog.
Oh, my dad's getting a stent put in tomorrow.
Where?
And he's been in the hospital
Here
for
we
2
go.
weeks.
Banana?
What's his?
Say banana?
Scott's towel or something.
Is that good stuff? Like this is the life.
That's
Eating
good.
popsicles,
Papa give you a
watching
popsicle?
cartoons.
He's loving it, eh?
Oh, that's good, eh, Maverick?
It's gonna be dark before I
I'll bet you'll sit with me now.
There's still no sign of the
Eh, Maverick? Is that good? Eh?
It's cold, too.
That's banana.
You want the remote? Let's see.
Yeah.
Mine's not usually this long.
I might.
either. I usually, on the sides, I take it down on the sides really short.
I just wanted to do it where I wouldn't have to put like product in it.
And next time I'm gonna get this, like,
Drink your milk. Yeah. Yeah, drinking milk. Hey, baby, drinking milk. You gonna go to bed? No.
Yes, it does.
That'll be it for today's vlog, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join our family.
I have an impressive career.
That's what she said.
Thank you.
Make sure you do it.
We're gonna go to bed.
Why would you walk
Hit
away
the
from a career
notification
like
bell
such
beside the
a-
subscribe button to
Well, it's pretty much
know
the
when
same
our
skill
upcoming
set.
vlogs are coming, so you can go try to like my video before Aaron does.
Excuse me, Mossy will play. How long?
Okay, bye guys.